heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. As some of you know and some of you don't know, anxiety and depression disguises itself in many different forms. For me, one of the forms it disguises itself in is...
Oh, stop screaming!
For me, one of the forms that my anxiety and my depression episodes disguise itself in is that my creative space is messy. I keep pretty much every room in my house neat and tidy as much as I can, but my beauty room tends to get messy. It never gets as messy as it is in this video. This is like 3 weeks of me just feeling down in the dumps, traveling between Maryland and South Carolina, like, you know, not being home a lot. When I am home, I'm on a constant, like, I work a 9-to-5 job, so I come in here, I get dressed, I leave. You know, the room's a mess. I'm not, you know what I mean? I haven't had a lot of downtime. So my beauty room hadn't been cleaned in like 3 weeks. And not only was it like time, and when I do have time to do it, I just need to relax and like unwind for my mental health. But if I'm feeling very anxious and depressed, like a lot of people, my creative space is just like a reflection of that, and it's just messy and it's a mess. Like my beauty room never looks the way that it looks in this video, and that's how I knew I really wasn't like feeling myself. So even though this like was just me cleaning, it was very therapeutic in a way. Like I finally feel good, I finally feel okay, and my creative space represents that, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. You a real one. And yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys what's going on in here. It's a mess, like no joke, it's a hot mess. So let me just show you. So basically I have my light right here. This is where I was like filming. But so yeah, let me just show you what's going on. So you walk into the room. This is like right in front of the door. To the right, we have a bunch of shoes, a bunch of clothes on the floor. One of my white purse. It shouldn't be on the floor amongst all this. The blow up bed that I took the blanket off of because it's in our bedroom because we were cold and the dog peed on our blanket. So we took all the blankets from downstairs and from here to keep us warm, but it's washed now, so I need to bring it back in here. That is my bullet journal drawer, but I was doing a hair video downstairs, so I put everything in there. A towel that has makeup on it, clothes, all the clothes are clean, my dirty clothes are separated. I have my rack over there, a napkin that my dog brung in here. Yeah, he brung it from the trash downstairs. We love a bad boy. To my left, we have more clothes. Oh, hey, bra. A book bag that is like full of old, super old clothes. I did some shopping in Myrtle Beach. That's that stuff there. That is the bag I packed when I went to Myrtle Beach. My closet is over there. And then I have clothes that were in that box. And then I just have like stuff on the floor over there. Like I know it's a mess. I literally like haven't cleaned it in like 3 weeks. I'm like falling over trying to get to that side. I can be a messy person in my beauty room because it's like my creative area, but I am usually not this messy. This is like 3 weeks of me coming in here only for clothing and to get dressed and then leaving back out. Like I've completely neglected this space for 3 weeks. So like, don't think I'm just living like this. Like this is not normal. Even when my beauty room like needs to be clean, it's messy. It is never like this. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna start is like picking up these clothes that I have on the floor. Because these all were in this box. In this box, I have my pajamas, and only pajamas and underwear in this drawer just because I have yet to get a dresser for this space. So yeah, I need to like put it back in there. I'm gonna buy a dresser for this space eventually. What I'm doing right now is saving up so I can do one huge furniture. Like I'm gonna furnish the rest of my house. I'm saving up. I'm almost at my saving goal to be able to finish furnishing my house. But yeah. So a lot of times clothing gets mixed up. Anything that's not pajamas or like underwear needs to be hung up or like folded to be like put in the closet. So I'm gonna be separating that as well because sometimes I just throw stuff together. Oh, that Panda Express coupon they gave me because they was like, they're always late when they give me my food. It's so annoying, but Panda Express is always hits. I don't care if this is too personal. Look how cute this bra is. It's from Charlotte Russe. I got it for just like a few dollars. And it like clips in the front. It looks like this. It is so cute. I look ridiculous. This is like a perfect representation of what my life is like right now. Or what it was like, because I feel better, which is why I need my space to be better, you know? Okay, now I'm gonna attack this like first half of the room. It's basically gonna be pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I'm making a pile of things that need to go in the closet. My shoes need to go on the floor in the closet. And everything else like has a place, so you'll just see where I'm putting that. So yeah, let's just rapid fire get this done. I'm gonna play some music while I do it so I'm not bored to death. These are the shirts I bought at Myrtle Beach. This one's for my little sister. It's a cute crop top. This one is mine. No, this is my older sister's. It says Myrtle Beach and it's a tank top. And this is another cute crop top. This one's mine. And this is mine too. This is good. This is like such a cute like shirt to just like run errands in or go to sleep in. Okay, the obvious next step is to take the piles of stuff to go in the closet I have and put it in the closet. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna real quick go into this basket. This is supposed to just be my bullet journal stuff, and I put a bunch of hair stuff in here. So I'm just gonna take that stuff out real quick, and that way I can put the bullet journal drawer back in the drawer in the closet that it belongs in.
I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
Look out! I think Moto likes you. Here he goes.
What you doing with that? Yeah.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid.
Okay, so everything is in the closet. Well, almost everything. I still have some stuff I need to hang. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Now I'm gonna move over to where this side. I'm gonna move over to this side of the room. So I'm like really into interior decorating and like how things like make you feel, and like having a color theory and a color story in every room. And for me, something that I'm learning I'm like really into is like textiles, like seeing different textures in a room like all play together. It's just like, I don't know, it's something about it that really makes me happy. And so that's why I chose these items to hang. I switch them out often. Things that I hang on this rack, I switch them out based upon what like clothing items like I'm really into, or like for instance right now I'm like mixing textures. Like this is like a Sherpa texture that's like a regular like thick hoodie material. This has the sequins on it, like that like, I don't know, it's really satisfying to me. I'm doing the same thing in my living room right now. I purposely got like a beanbag chair that was like really shaggy, but it still looks really chic. I have 3 throw blankets in my living room. Like I'm really into like textures and how different textures together make you feel, and they give like the room like a sense of like different personality. I don't know, it's really weird, but I'm really into like textiles in like designing rooms. So yeah, that's why I'm specifically picking these 3 things. Oh, Hayden, see you there. Okay, so the beauty room is done. I did the finishing touches off camera because nobody really cares about stuff like that. I'm sure you all don't care where I put my 8 Alex and Ani boxes. No one cares. So we have the bed. Now, obviously, this, I need to finish furnishing in here, but I didn't clean all this for nothing. Y'all gonna watch this mini tour. So we have the bed here. I rehung the pictures. I need to update the pictures on the lower one because I've done my whole, I've done my whole vision board for this year. So I just need to take those pictures down. They need to be replaced. Probably with more pictures of me and Paul or pictures of me traveling. Anyways, the half decorated bed. I need more linen for this bed. I have one pillow, so that's annoying, but yeah. Over here, we have, I don't think y'all have seen this stool yet either. This stool was $50. I found it at Marshall's. It is like the best $50 I've ever spent in my life. It's so cute. But over here, I kept the theme going with like the textiles with the shoes. As you see, I have the Uggs, which is like fluffy, like Sherpa material. I have the Vans, which is canvas, and then I have my Concords, my prized possession, that have like the leather on them, and I think it all looks really cool together. I have most of my bags up. Oh, Astro! The men in my life are crazy. So yeah, most of my bags are hung up. This is a Coach bag. This is Coach too, and this is the white Michael Kors that was literally sitting on the floor earlier, as if it's not white. Over here, my whole makeup collection. Yeah, if y'all want an in-depth makeup collection tour, it's gonna have to be a different video. It's not happening today. And then the closet. We're gonna ignore what's going on over there because, like I said, I don't have a dresser yet. So, okay, so over here, this, I am trying to set a goal to look at this every single day. This is my vision board for 2019. So yeah, I'm trying to look at this every day. I'm doing really bad at it, but I try to have my closet door always open so that I can look at it every day and manifest what the F I deserve. And then we have my closet, which honestly, most of the time is pretty organized. My closet doesn't really get messy. It's just everything else because I'm taking things out of the closet. Everything else gets